Hi, I want to put on this mechanism a stepper motor. This plate up here is a stepper motor, and it controls the rotation of this shaft. This shaft is a threaded rod, and inside this there's a threaded nut. So when this rod spins or turns around, it will move the carriage. So I have about 15 locations I need this to be. And when I say 15 locations, I mean 15 different heights on the whatever axis that is. So one would be over here, another one would be a few millimeters on top of it, another one will be another few millimeters on top of it. But the important thing is they are consistent. And the other important thing is I have to be able to tell the machine after it's been off and turn it back on. I need to be able to tell the machine go to location A, and it goes automatically to A. And it needs to be the same place within a millimeter or two maximum. Mechanically, it's possible, but I need to make sure that the motor and the Raspberry Pi can do that. Now, I'm considering Raspberry Pi. If you have different suggestions, I'm open to that. The range of motion is not very long. This is the whole thing is about, I don't know, 13 inches, 12 inches high, and mainly the range of motion is going to be between here. The way I want to control this is one of two ways. Either by infrared remote control, or by a touch screen, or both. Now, I was wondering how would this carriage, or how would the motor that's mounted up here, how would it know where the location of the carriage is? Let's say if we have a power outage, and then the power comes back on, or we just turn the Raspberry Pi off and turn it back on. I don't know if it knows where it's at. So what I'm thinking is putting a switch down here. So when this comes down, it hits the switch, and then the Raspberry Pi knows, okay, I'm at 0. So now from 0, I'm going to rotate the motor 1.5 times, and it's going to lift the carriage up to location A, which again is a constant. And after I finish, like 2 or 3 hours later, I might want to move to location B. So I would tell the Raspberry Pi go to location B, and it'll move maybe three clicks or 3 turns to move like a millimeter or 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters. So I need some help with programming this Raspberry Pi um, and the user interface for it. I'm open to suggestions, and hopefully this will be a nice project.